everybody. So this time I'm going to be doing the November Glossybox unboxing, and this is my second Glossybox, so I'm fairly new to it. And also, sorry you can't see my beautiful face, but I had a really rough day and I look really not good. So let's see what's inside. So always comes really nicely packaged, but always, you know, the 2 times I've received it. I haven't seen any spoilers, I don't think, so I'm not sure what we have inside. So let's just start grabbing. Okay, so first up we've got an eyeshadow palette, and I love eyeshadow palettes. So this is a Style London Velvet Touch in the shades Hypnotic Eyes. So that is what the colors look like. Let's try and get in here. So those are some very nice autumnal shades, I guess. Very nice for fall and winter. And let's do a couple swatches of the brown and the shimmer. Oh, very nice. Those are really nicely pigmented. Okay, next up we've got Mystic Black Novex Deep Hair Mask. Oh, perfect. I have got very thick hair and it tends to dry out really easily. So that's a really nice consistency. So I look forward to giving that a try. Nice, nice size. Okay, next up, what do we have? We have got a Real Chemistry Luminous 3-minute peel. Oh, I love peels. There's something very satisfying about a face mask that peels off. Oh, this is not a mask. I spoke too soon. What is it then? This is not a mask. This peel is a clear gel. Peel upper half of face and then start over and peel lower half of face. Okay, so never had anything like this, but I'm very excited to try it. Okay, next up we've got a Lord & Berry crayon lipstick. So I think I have only tried one Lord & Berry product, but I can't even remember what it is. So that's what it looks like, and we'll swatch it. Ah, that is a perfect Megan shade. I love that shade because it goes with a lot of different seasons and it's not too bold, and because I work in an office I don't like to look too crazy. But yeah, I'm very excited about that. Alright, and last but not least, we've got an Ardell Wispies Fiber Building Mascara. See, I see a lot of subscription boxes where you get mascaras, but I hardly ever get them. I think in a BoxyCharm I got a Tarte mascara, and I think that's the only one I've received. And I've been with BoxyCharm for over a year. So let's see what the spoolie looks like on this one. Well, that's a really nice size. I think that's probably a full size. So it's got an okay spoolie. I always have trouble with mascara. I always get it on my upper lid, and I don't know how everybody else applies it so flawlessly. I just don't get it. So if you have any tips or tricks, please let me know. Okay, so this is everything we got in our box. Ooh. Oh, everything falls over. So I really like this box, actually. I like it a lot better than the first one I got, which was the October Glossybox. That one just had a lot of small sized items, and I don't think it had any makeup except for a macaroon lip gloss. So very excited about this box. This makes me want to keep it going for a couple more months to see what it's like. And I only got this so I could get a discount on the Glossybox Advent Calendar and have early access. So very excited, actually. This is, I think it's $25 a month as well. American, so $32, $35 Canadian. But yeah, I'm very impressed. Very impressed. Okay, so I changed my mind. I mean, we all look like crap some days, right? So that was the November Glossybox. Let me know what you guys think, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.